if you're blogging in 2025 or you want to start blogging in 2025 and beyond, this particular update is just for you. All right, and you have to make sure you watch this video down to the very end, because this update is what most of your gurus are using on a daily basis from their blog website. In this very video, I'm going to simply review my secret strategies, and I'm also going to simply show you how you can easily utilize this on your existing blog. I'm going to be showing you what is working currently in blogging and also continue to work even in 2026, 2027 and beyond. All right, all you have to do is to watch this video down to the very end. Whether you're blogging with AdSense or you're blogging with Astera, you're blogging with Hit Up Ad, without depending on Google, SEO and lots more. Right, SEO is now becoming more difficult for a lot of new bloggers. Okay, so Google can give you traffic, but it is not as effective as it was before. All right, so for instance, if you head over to Google right here and you type in something, let's say how to make money online, if you search for that, you can see right here, this is AI overview. This particular stuff right here is killing a whole lot of bloggers that depend only on Google. If you depend only on Google, this is going to simply make you quit blogging and tell yourself that this is not working. All right, because majority of people that search for this keyword will get their answer from this AI overview. So if you click on read more, this particular AI tool is going to simply give you all the information you need. The only way people can actually get traffic is when this particular AI tool indexes your link. Right, you can see these are links from different blogs. Right, so all of these ideas came from blogs. If I'm searching for how to make money online on this very section right here, then this particular AI now give me all I need. Then I don't have any need of scrolling down to click on a particular website and all of that, okay, to read more. Okay, I don't have to do that. So if you click on this link is actually going to direct you to another blog, right, where this particular information came from. Okay, so if you click on this right now, then this is going to simply open this particular section right here where you can see most of this blog content right here. Okay, you're actually going to be getting traffic from Google only if this particular AI overview indexes your blog. All right, so for instance, most of my blogs are already ranking for ChatGPT. All right, so if someone asks a ChatGPT about something that I've already written on my blog, ChatGPT can easily script my content and give to the person, and also tell the person that this is where the idea came from. All right, and they will redirect back to my own website. That is why you're seeing ChatGPT traffic right here. You are seeing Flipboard right here. You are seeing YouTube. You are seeing Facebook. And also my traffic also comes from Bing, from Google search. You don't have to depend on this. All right, so all you need to do first of all is to make sure you set up your blog website. Make sure you have a standard blog website. Make sure you get a developer that will develop your website. And also, if you don't have a developer, join us on a Telegram channel. My team are going to simply handle that for you. When your blog website is ready, the first thing you need to do is simply go ahead and install an SEO plugin. All right, the one I recommend you go for is Yoast SEO. You can also go for Rank Math. Okay, all right, so if you come over to this session, you're going to see right here, I'm using Yoast SEO, the premium version. All right, these are tools that can easily tell ChatGPT and also tell Bing AI and Google Review that this is the blog you have, and they're going to simply help your blog to come up on this very session when people search for what you already have on your blog website. Okay, and that one is number one. All right, number two, the next thing you have to do is to install this plugin, which is called Jetpack. Okay, because this Jetpack right now is going to simply help you build up a community for yourself where you don't have to depend on Google traffic, you don't have to depend on Bing traffic. So using Jetpack, you're going to simply own your own funnels and also build your blog strategically. All right, create a Telegram channel, create a WhatsApp channel, and also create a Pinterest channel. Okay, and secondly, you have to simply create Google My Business page. Okay, so this is going to simply help you build up your audience. All right, so this is how I do it. When I create a new blog, what I do is to create a Telegram channel, create a WhatsApp channel, and also a WhatsApp group, then create Pinterest page specifically for that particular blog. All right, you have to start writing content and blog posts that Google cannot dominate, a blog post that this AI cannot answer. So this is going to simply help you set you apart from these people that are battling with AI and lots more. All right, so for instance, as I search for this, how to make money online, this thing can easily answer it without even thinking twice. All right, but if I search, let's say CapCut Pro, these are keywords that people are searching. Download CapCut Pro version 9.91 2025. This one says download CapCut Pro mod APK. Okay, so if I say version 9.9.1, if I click on this, then AI doesn't have any problem with me again. Or I say my experience, you can see right here, my experience in secondary school as a student, there are people that are searching for this. Okay, so if I hit on that, you can see right here, AI cannot answer this one because this one is related to you. All right, AI is not human being. AI only generates ideas from people. All right, but this one, it cannot go ahead and start making researches right now just to get you the inspiration. All right, but this one right here requires a human being to share his or own experience. All right, so you can see right here, this is my experience in secondary school, but AI said here an AI overview is not available for this search. Okay, so let's go ahead and delete this. Let's say my experience as a school teacher, my experience as a teacher, my experience in college, or my experience in blogging. You can see most of these things right here, AI doesn't answer them. Okay, but I'm going to simply come to that. I'm going to simply show you the searches that AI cannot answer, which will help you gain a lot of traffic to your blog website. So if you found out that a topic that you want to write on your blog website is easier for Google overview to answer, then forget about that keyword, so that you will not make mistake of writing something that Google can easily tell it AI to generate automatically for the people. All right, so what do you do now? You have to make sure you focus on the new traffic reality, and in our upcoming free training, I'm going to elaborate on this particular topic and show you guys what is working currently for bloggers. So if you've not joined our Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel to get started with that free training, then you are missing a lot. Go ahead and join us right there. Okay, so this is the new traffic reality if you have a blog. Currently, blogs, even new blogs, get a lot of traffic. They are going viral massively, even without SEO. All right, so you don't need backlinks. You don't need to wait for months for Google to start indexing you before you start ranking. You only need direct traffic, and with this direct traffic, you have more control, and it gives you higher conversion. So what is working right now? The secret is this: you have to build your own traffic funnel. As you didn't know, when I created this particular blog, I created a Telegram channel for it, and that Telegram channel has only 0 subscribers. Because the channel has 0 subscribers, I need to build audience. I need to bank on my audience. I promoted it with Facebook ad. So how do I get that? I create a good ad creative for that particular Telegram channel, making them understand that all my content are going to be coming from my blog website, and they have to stick with me, all right, on my Telegram channel to get most of those information. All right, so while you do that, you gain their trust, you gain their interest, and they'll stick with you. Whatever post you publish will be to benefit them. Right, create social media handles for your blog website so that you can simply get a lot of traffic from all of these places. Okay, with this particular Jetpack plugin which you've already installed here, it will automatically share your blog post to these various social media handles. All right, so that you will not be doing it manually. This is what they said here: automatically you can share your post across all social media handles. All right, so these ones right here are the ones I've already connected. You're going to see more that you can simply connect. If you click on this connect account, you're going to see the account you've not connected, and you can connect them right now. Okay, with this you don't have to depend on Google again. With this, you're going to be getting your traffic automatically. Once you post it, your audience will start seeing it immediately. Then generate traffic, get people to read your blog, engage with your audience little by little. Okay, so when you publish a post, make sure you create a Pinterest pin for it, Telegram post for it, and also make sure you publish it on your WhatsApp. All right, and this is going to simply boost up your engagement. So what are the type of keyword that you have to simply target if you're blogging? So remember, my topic and also my niche might not be your niche, okay, but this is a strategy and also a formula that you can simply use to get this done for yourself, so that AI will not be answering your questions, the questions you write about on your blog. Right, all you need to do is simply target keyword that focuses on this type of stuff. All right, so if you're on my type of niche, you can target XYZ Pro version download. It could be Filmora Pro version download, where you have to simply review Filmora, okay, before you give them a download link from the official website. Go over to ChatGPT, ask it of keywords around your niche, so that you can simply use this particular formula to write your blog content. Okay, because you're not only focusing on SEO, you can write a content that real human can relate with, that solves real human problem. Don't just go ahead and start publishing content that is already saturated. Don't do that. Make sure you write a content that people will value the more and also engage with. Okay, or you go for honest review. Okay, you can say my Hostinger honest review. Whatever you want to write, make sure you set for that and see if AI can actually answer that. You can also target free courses to download, alternative for use, how to use XYZ tool, my 30-day results using this particular tool, what no one tells you about this particular app or this website, depending on your niche. Okay, these are ways you have to simply approach blogging in 2025, so you can see actual traffic from your blog website. When you publish your blog content, make sure you distribute it. All right, so apart from the Jetpack helping you to distribute, remember you have to make sure you do the same for yourself. All right, you can simply go ahead and publish on your Telegram channel, you publish on your WhatsApp, on Pinterest. Okay, because Jetpack doesn't support Telegram, they don't support WhatsApp or Pinterest. You have to do these ones manually so that your audience will engage more with you, just like you building your audience base. All right, just do it for like 1 or 2 months or 3 months. You see how much you've already gotten on your subscribers list. All right, if you're starting out as a new blogger, make sure you use Facebook traffic to boost your audience with lead magnet. All right, just tell them this is what you have to offer them so that they can easily join you, and you have to make sure you offer them that specific stuff. All right, so that they will not feel disappointed that you brought them in without giving them what you promised. All right, the advantages of this over SEO blogging is this: for SEO blogging, you need Google to rank your content before you can get traffic. Okay, and for the funnel based blogging, which I just showed you right now, you can simply get traffic instantly across all of these platforms which I've already listed. And this one right here, which is SEO blogging, is controlled by Google, but this one is your own audience. All right, which is the funnel blogging. And this one right here is stolen by AI. This one right here, you have full power to your click-through rate. Okay, and this one right here, you have low income to your new blog, but this one you start monetizing from day one, and this is going to simply work for you even if you're a newbie. All you have to do is simply create of these channels, make sure you run a Facebook ad to get people to join your Telegram. It could be to teach them something that you already know on your needs. Remember, if you want to start a blog, you already know something, and you have to simply focus on that thing you know so that you gain authority. And this is going to simply help you a lot if you are starting a blog. All you need to do right now is simply go ahead and get a developer to develop your blog website. Like if you don't have a developer, join us on Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel to get my team to handle all of that for you. If you found this helpful, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe, and join us on our Telegram channel to stay updated on what we do here. See you in the next one.